Any unusual experiment can produce unusual results.
Jamaica, we have faced it hard, yard and broad. London, America, whole family. Me say me never mean to say this. Me really gotta say this. Dogs, me say me never mean to say this. Me say me really have to say this. The place where we come from, everyone knows. Cause the place where I come from, here Babo Lipa jump on. The place where we come from, we hear Walipa crow. Dogs, the place where I come from, me never born as a gunman. Get to you, them no want to be merry. Them woulda want to be mash up like cherry. Yeah, them woulda love to see we in a cemetery. 6'6", them well want we bury. Them don't know the pain of we feel. We tired of the drive, but don't turn Camille. Tired to see the homeless, them a suffer in the street. A feeling brand up, we need to sign a deal. The place where we come from, everyone knows.
I'm alias Ruffy.
How long have you been living in the community?
I've known myself over 35 years now. It's a good community to grow up in. So I must say that small entrepreneurs in the community.
All over the world?
Of course. The community produces me. Shampoo.
My sister is one, a big role model. And
Community. I am a product of my community. You know what I mean?
there's a lot of big names coming from this community, especially in football.
Well, community produce artists like me, and me I go face the world right now. You know what I mean? That are the best experience with me and my friend them as a youth in my community. You see me I say? Yeah. One role model me have a vibes card and a music like nothing in the community. Serious, straight. 2006, war broke out in our community and be people around. The war. Like me say, everybody was experienced that. Ask anybody in the community. Once them there from them time, they tell you. Yeah. Me I said the war. You see me I said the war thing, it mash up the whole thing. That are the worst experience me ever. And that ain't even something we can even talk about. Cause we never like remember it at times. Cause I even get the community that way. You know what I mean? Yeah, so.
Foolishness! And as a man sit down, I saw him have to depart. Because the police them come down and when they come down, then I give them no chance. All in my house, I lift up my daughter sheet, I look under them bed in them bathroom and all them foolishness. And them thing they creep up the whole eye man, then carry them a constant spring up. Hey.
Yeah man, you know what the judges say, you don't know their common sense community, so you don't know everything you want to know about common, woman, you're there man for me come here. Born and raised as a market truck, can come here. Yeah.
Search your house. In the ghetto them have search warrant and just run in and do them please. See? No justice. This is the ghetto. This is how we them deal with ghetto people because they feel like we don't know right how to
Stack up the Benjamins, they don't want to take me life.